So if I have $100 right now, this is how I'll be investing that money into crypto. I want to show you how you can invest $100 into crypto and turn that $100 to $1,000, $10,000, or even more in crypto. Yes, it's very, very possible to turn $100 into 10,000 or even more in crypto, but then you have to invest it wisely. But before I go ahead to show you how to invest your $100 or how I'll be investing my $100, this is our channel Blockchain Plus. You're welcome to Blockchain Plus. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video and drop a comment in the comment section if this video was valuable to you. And with that said, I want you to know that investing in crypto comes with high risk and high reward. So everything I say and do in this channel is just for educational purpose only, and it is not in any way any financial advice to you. So if you're investing in crypto, you are doing that at your own sole discretion because you understand what you're doing before you go ahead to do that. All right, with that said, now let me show you how I will be investing my $100 into different coins in crypto. Now, this is CoinMarketCap. First of all, if I have $100, I'll come to CoinMarketCap to look at what is trending on CoinMarketCap and what is doing well on CoinMarketCap. Then also, I will also go to Dex Screener to also check what is possible and what is obtainable on Dex Screener. So now this is Dex Screener, and on Dex Screener, before I go ahead to check what is obtainable and what is doing well on Dex Screener, I will have to first of all know what coin is trending right now in the crypto space. Now in crypto space, if you look at the likes of Solana meme coins, they are trending very well. So you have to make sure that you are looking at those ones that are trending very well in the crypto space before you start investing. Now this is Descreener. I'm not going to show you how to use Descreener in this particular video. In another video, I will show you how to use Descreener for complete meme coin research. But for this video, I just want to show you how to invest your $100 or how I will be investing my $100 in crypto. Now, before I invest my $100, I will need to look at how much am I putting in each coin. So I have $100, right? So $100 is what I have. Like I said, let me remove that and do this again. So I have $100, right? So that is what I have. Now, if I want to invest my $100, there is no point for me investing in, let's say, 20 different coins and I'm investing $5. And there's no point for me investing in 10 different coins and I'm investing $10. It doesn't make any sense, actually. I see some people who have $100 and they are buying different coins, $2, $5, $3. It doesn't make sense because in the end, you are not making or you will not even make any significant gain from such investment. Rather, what you should do is to invest in maximum 5 coins. Maximum 5 coins. But for me, I will be investing in just 3 coins. I will be investing in just 3 coins. And how will I do the investment? I'm going to do 40, 30, 30, 30, 30. So that is how I'm going to do the investment. Now, since I know that I'll be doing 40, 30, 30. Now, why do I say I'll be doing 40, 30, 30? Now, I know that if I invest in a coin with $40 and it does 1000x, that's 100x, which is 1000%, right? 100x is actually 1000%. It means that I have gotten $400 on my what investment. If I invest in a coin with $30 and it does 500%, 500% means I've gotten $150 with my investment. So which is a significant growth in my money, right? So that is how I'll be investing. Now that I've shared the money into this portion for 40, 30, 30, the next thing I want to do, I will now do, is to look at the nature of coins I will be investing that money in. So I will not invest, first of all, I'm going to remove all the big players from my list. What are the big players? I've done a video of the kind of coins you should not be investing in if you are a beginner or if you have small money. I have done a video on the kind of coins you should not be investing in. The video is going to pop up somewhere around here. It's going to pop up somewhere around here. So do well to watch the video, and I'll also leave it in the description of this video. So do well to watch that video. So see the kind of coins you should not be investing in, especially if you have just $100. So first of all, I'm going to avoid the big players. So for me, I know that in the market I have three tires. I usually put it at three tires: tire one, tire two, and tire three. Then these are the tires. Then after these three tires, then I have my low gems, low cap gems, LCG. So my low cap gems are the ones I should be looking at very well to invest in. Now the tire ones are the coins that I know that their market cap are from anywhere around 500 million and above. So that's my tire one. So that's my tire one. Anywhere from 500 million market cap and above, I'm not going to invest in those kind of coins. Why? Because I know that those kind of coins will not give me the kind of gains I'm looking for to make. Because any coin with 1 billion market cap will hardly do 500%, will hardly do 1000% for me. Talk more of doing 10,000%, because some coins have done 10,000%. I've invested in a coin that did over 5,000%, and I made so much money from that coin. Now, I will not concentrate more on tier 2. Tier 2 are coins that their market cap are from 100 million to 499 million. So from 100 million to 499 million are tier 2 coins. So these ones, I will not look much into them. But if I see a very good one with 100 million or 150 million, I can just invest one of the $30 into that particular project. Now, my tier 3 are where I will be looking at to invest in. So my tier 3 will be coins that are between 10 million to 99 million. So those are the ones I will be looking at investing in, because I know that these are low cap coins that I know that if they do well in the market, I'm going to make so much X from those kind of coins. And by the way, if you have not hit the subscribe button on this channel, please do so and turn on your notification bell icon, because in my subsequent videos I'll be showing you the kind of low cap coins that you'll be investing in. So if you turn on your notification bell icon, it means that when I drop such valuable video, you'll get notification about it and you're going to watch it. One, this kind of information are time sensitive, so you need to watch it on time so that you can be able to invest in those kind of coins on time, so that you won't miss the move that happens when they happen in those kind of coins. All right, so with that said, let's continue with the video. So now, looking at this kind of coins, I know that if I invest in a coin with 15 million market cap, if the coin goes to 150 million or 200 million market cap, I have made 1000% on my investment. Easy and cool, right? Then the last one I will be looking at are my low cap gems. This is where I love to really look at very well. These are coins that are from 500 500k to 10 million. So these are my low cap gems. So in most times, I look for coins that are just 1 million market cap, 2 million market cap, 500k market cap. Now, these coins are not easy to come by. They are not easy to find in the market. But then again, you have to actually sit down and do the research to find this kind of low cap gems. Because when you invest in them and you really catch good low cap gems, you're going to make so much money from such project, and it is something that is actually worth it if you sit down to do the research. And that is why I said I'm not going to be doing so much education on desk screener. I'm just going to be using it to show you why I will be investing in those local games. So now I have shown you the places that you should be looking at if you have $100. That is how I will be also looking at the market. I'll be looking at the tier 3 um, section and my local gems. So the tier 3 sections, I'll be looking at the coins that the market cap is between 10 million, 20 million, 15 million, 50 million, 60 million max, because I know that those will give me profit. And I'll be looking at my local gems, which I know that I will see a coin around 1 million, 2 million, 700k market cap, 300k market cap, 500k market cap. Now, where will I find this kind of coin? Some of them I can find them on coin market cap. So that's why I open coin market cap. I can find some of them on coin market cap, and then I can find some of them on Dex Screener. So when I come to coin market cap, first of all, I want to invest in low cap gems and tier 3 coins. So I will not be looking at all of these coins with high market cap. You can see all this high market cap here. This is 8 billion. All of these ones, they are too high for me to invest in. So I will not look at all of those ones. Then I will not do filter by market cap. You can see filter by market cap here. I will just come here. I hope you can see it right there. So let me do this. You can see it right here. So I'll just filter by market, click on this filter by market cap right there. Let me remove that again. And then once I click on it, you can see less than 100 million. You can see less than 1 million. So I'll put my maximum here. I'll just put 50 million. That is 50, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, this is 50 million. That is the maximum I want to go to. So I'll just click on apply filter, and then I will filter all of these coins out of the market, and I will only see the ones that are tier 3 coins for me. Then I'll start doing my research from here and looking for the coins that I can invest in. Now I'm actually showing you how to do the research. I'm just showing you how I'll invest my $100, right? So here I'm going to choose a coin that I know that is going to do well for me, and I'm going to invest my $40 on it. Then I will also go to Dex Screener. When I go to Dex Screener, I will look at some coins that will do well on Dex Screener. So I'm going to invest one of the $30 on that particular coin. Then if I want to actually maybe play some little gamble in it, because sometimes you can also gamble with smaller cash, then when I invest the $40 and one of the $30, then the last $30, I can just split it into $10, right? I can split it into $10, $10 like this, $10, and then $10. Now, when I split it into $10, I will now go to those coins that I know that are below 500 market cap or below 1 million market cap, and put this $10 into 3 projects from that particular category. Now, the reason is this: chances are when you actually do a thorough research and find a coin that is around 500 500k, or you see a coin that is around 200k market cap, from 200k this coin can shoot to 200 million, it can shoot to 20 million. It means that if you invested $10 into it and it shoots from 200k to 2 million, you've made 1000%. If you shoot from 200k to 20 million, you've made 10,000% from your money. So this is how I will be investing my $100 in crypto right now if I have $100 in my disposal and I want to invest. I hope this video has been valuable to you, and this video has helped you to understand how you can invest your little money into crypto and actually stand a chance to make so much gain from this crypto space. If you got value from this video, please just drop it in the comment section and say, yes, I actually got value from this video. Thank you. And also share it with your friends so that they can also benefit from such video like this. And most importantly, don't fail to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell icon. Alright guys, that is it for me in this particular video. I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed.